Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle, regular puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku in today's newspaper on Monday, January the 22nd, 2024. And yeah, today it's 107 days ago another war started, between Hamas and Israel. 107 days. Cannot believe this. Anyway, 3 regular puzzles. I've already solved one puzzle, 3 stars. Turns out it's seems this one is a 0 stars. We have 2 puzzles left, the binary and the 4 stars Sudoku. And we'll continue with this one. In today's newspaper, not so good news because we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So for in the evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the weekend edition. In the weekend edition, we have 5 puzzles left, 3 puzzles in the additional and 2 puzzles in the puzzle page. Alright, Sudoku with 4 stars, number 7846. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Again, 26 printed digits, same as the previous Sudoku. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. Or a 2 stars? We don't know. We'll see, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in this second row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 4, okay. Need a 2 here. Right, need a 9 in this row, 3rd row, 9 in the 2nd row, so in the 1st row. Only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. We see another 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, okay. 7. Need 4 in this column, 1st column, 4 in the 3rd column, so the column between the 2nd column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the 3rd row, no 4 there. 4 it should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4, need a 4 here. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. 5, 4 and a 5, okay. I want the 2. Need a 2 here. 9, need a 9 here. Come on. Need a 1 here. And I need a 6 here. Well, need a 5 here. I need a 5 there. I'm thinking 6, 8. 8 in the 1st row, 8 in the 2nd row. So in the 3rd row, the only place left for 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and 5. And look, no 2. Well. 2 should be there. 6, 4, 3, 7. Need a 7 there. Well, we have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in this box. Here, 7 in the 3rd row, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. Now we have a pair. 7 in one of those 2 boxes, and the 4 in this column. We have a 7 and a 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only two places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright, and now 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6. Okay, what are the other 3 missing numbers? 8, 9. No. 2, 3, 5, 8, and a 9. 5, 8, and a 9. Well, here can be a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. The 8 should be here, and the 9 should be there also. Wow. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so the last column, the only two places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left, the 2 should be there. Need a 2 here. Okay. 3, 5, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Need a 5 here. Okay. Need an 8 here. Let me see. 3, need a 3 here. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. From the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9. 8 and a 9. So we have 8 in one of those two boxes in this column. 8 in the column next. So last column, the only two places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. And we have also the 9. The 9 in one of those two boxes in this column, the 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places left for the 9 goes together with 8 as a pair. 9 and 8, 9 and 8. So I've eliminated here the number 5, so the 5 should be here then. Alright. So 1 digit left in the last column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, yeah. 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 7 and the 3. Well. And now, 9 and 8, need a 6. Come on. How about these? 3, 8, and the 6. 3, 8, and the 6. Well, need a 5 here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only two places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Okay. 172. Need a 2 here. 2. 72. 172. 1. 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. 1. Okay. 2. 4. The 8. Need an 8 here. Need a 9 here. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, there are only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be. Here we have a 9, here we have a 9. That means in this row, we need a 9. In these 4 boxes, here can be a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in the first column, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 could be here, could be there. Yeah, I'm thinking. 2, 3, and 8. 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have 2 and 8 in this column, so no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 3. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Okay, need a 3 here. Come on. Need a 1 here. Let me think. 4, 2, 1, 2, 4. No, 1, 2, 8, 7. 7. And I need a 7 there. And I need 7 there. Well, that means in this column we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the 7 goes together with the 9 as a pair in the second column. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. 1 is missing. Oh, no. We have a 1. 2 is missing and a 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Cannot. Oh, we have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left on 3 should be there. A 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 8 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 goes together with this 9 as a pair. 9 and 6, 9 and 6. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, 1 and 7, okay. And now. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and a 6, we have a 3 now in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 6 goes there. 9 and 6, we have a 6 now in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. 9 and 8, we have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. How about these 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square from the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between The second row, the only place level is 7 should be there. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 now in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the third column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, 2 minutes more than the previous Sudoku, although it has 26 printed digits. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third and last regular puzzle, the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.